Today, I'm going to share with you the top 3 vitamins that you need to stop the cramps and that restore leg strength as you age. These vitamins are essential for maintaining strong, healthy legs as you enter your golden years. So if you want to improve your mobility and quality of life, then keep watching. The 3 vitamins that will strengthen your legs are vitamin B12, vitamin D, and magnesium. Let's take a closer look at each one of these vitamins. First, vitamin B12. Think of vitamin B12 as the insulation on electrical wiring. It helps nerve signals move swiftly and efficiently from your brain to your muscles. When you don't have enough B12, this insulation wears down. Signals from your brain to your legs can get distorted or slowed down, making it harder to stand up, walk with confidence, or even balance. Imagine trying to walk with a friend who keeps sending you mixed signals, telling you to turn left when they really meant right. You'd probably end up more than a little disoriented, just like your muscles and nerves without sufficient B12. Now, B12 is naturally found in foods such as meat, poultry, fish, and dairy products. However, as we age, our bodies may become less efficient at absorbing it from food alone. This is where supplements can be incredibly helpful. By ensuring you have adequate B12 levels, you can support healthy nerve function and maintain the strength and stability you need to keep moving with ease. Next, vitamin D. Vitamin D is a superstar when it comes to maintaining healthy bones and supporting overall muscle function. As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from exposure to sunlight, and many of us tend to spend more time indoors. This can lead to a vitamin D deficiency, which not only weakens bones, but also contributes to muscle weakness. Weak muscles can make it difficult to get up from a seated position, walk long distances, or even climb up a flight of stairs. But by ensuring you have sufficient vitamin D levels, you can help maintain leg strength and support healthy bones. Now, apart from taking supplements, you can also try to include vitamin D-rich foods in your diet, such as fatty fish, fortified milk, and certain types of mushrooms. Now let's talk about magnesium. Magnesium is a key mineral that supports smooth muscle movements, helping them contract and relax properly. When there isn't enough magnesium in the body, it can lead to unwanted nighttime leg cramps and an overall feeling of tightness in the muscles. This can be particularly problematic for older adults who may already experience some degree of muscle weakness or discomfort. Adequate magnesium levels, on the other hand, can help alleviate cramps and promote healthy muscle function. Magnesium can be found in a variety of foods such as spinach, almonds, and whole grains. However, as we age, our bodies may require more magnesium to support optimal muscle health. In these cases, a magnesium supplement might be beneficial. In conclusion, maintaining strong and healthy legs is essential as we age. By ensuring you get enough of these 3 key vitamins, B12, D, and magnesium, you can help prevent cramps, support nerve function, and maintain overall leg strength. Remember, small changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a big difference in your mobility and quality of life. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. They can help you determine the right dosage and type of supplements that best suit your individual needs and ensure that they are safe and appropriate for you. Your legs will thank you for it. So stay active, keep moving, and enjoy the journey towards better leg health and an improved quality of life.